Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are enjoying all the videos coming through IMS channel. So today we are going to learn one of the important function in Excel, that is PMT. PMT is actually being used when you want to calculate the EMIs. So I will take one hypothetical example. If Mr. X has taken a loan of 5 lakh rupees for a period of 10 years and the rate of interest is 10%, how will be the EMI will be calculated? So for this calculation, we simply use the function which is known as PMT. So we will simply put is equals to PMT bracket open. Then it will be asking for the rate of interest will be charged, which will be charged on the loan. Then the rate of interest charged on the loan is 10%. N per refers to the time period, in what amount of time period this loan is to be paid back. So this N per is mentioned in the question 10. So PV is not being is being used here, and present PV stands for what is the present quantum of loan which you have taken from the bank. So this quantum of loan is 5 lakh, and we have shown it intentionally 5 lakh minus because we have taken a loan. Then we'll skip on the future value. Type actually stands for 0 and 1, whether the payment is being made in the beginning of the year or at the end of the year. If we simply leave it, then it will take automatically the figure of 0. Then we simply close down the bracket and put the enter. Once we put the bracket end, it will give us the EMI. So as you are indicating that we are getting the figures in terms of rupee. So if you want to get the figures in the other currency, we'll simply right click on this. Then we'll go to the format cell. Then in format cell we can get the idea of a currency, and we have to look forward that if our currency in which we want to see the data, that this currency is available on this. Later version of Excel includes the new sign of rupee. So if you want to change the sign, you can change. Suppose if I want to change, you know in iPhone want to see in Canadian dollar, then you will simply put, and then the figures will be shown in the Canadian dollar. So in this, apart from that, what type of calculation we can do? We can also find out the interest and the principal component in the EMI. So this is the EMI which is being calculated previously. So if you want to calculate how much is the interest component in the EMI, so for that we will use the function IPMT. So we'll just put IPMT is equals to IPMT is equals to I. Once you put on IPMT and you put the bracket open, then the data starts to appear. They will asking for you the rate of interest. Then per is for what installment you are talking about, that this span of installment is 10 year, like every year there will be one installment. So if I want to calculate it for only for the first year, I use the button 1. I press the button 1, and N per stands for number of years for which loan has been taken. Then present value, the quantum of loan. Then future value I'll skip, and type also I will skip, and I'll put the data bracket close and put IMT. It means IPMT. It means out of this 81,372 rupees, 50,000 rupees is the component for the interest. Similarly, if I want to find out what is the principal amount uh, which is there in the EMI, so I will use the function PPMT. So you will just put is equals to PPMT bracket open. Then this is asking for the rate which you have used. Again, per we are asking for the first EMI. N per stands for what is the duration for loan, 10 years. Then present value of the loan. Then again we'll skip, we'll simply close the bracket, put the enter. Then we get the amount of the principal component in the in the in this function. So it means PMT function can further be divided into two parts, IPMT or PPMT. IPMT will give us the interest component, and PPMT will give us the component for the principal in the EMI. I hope so you able to learn this and enjoy the video. Thanks a lot.